Similarly, for the plot images, you have to get the plot here, for example, and then you can do different styles. You can make a solid dash dot line, for example. Let's say I'm making this as a dash line. Once do that, save image. From save image, this is the folder that I've showed you in the previous video. And from here, resolution 200 is good enough. And then from here, just select pixels in per centimeter, title, legend, access grades. That's what we want. That's it. Then save. This is the name of the file, vout. You can change whatever to it, whatever you would like here, and then save. Once you save, again, you go back to your mobile Xtrum. You cannot see the picture, just refresh here. Vout, right click, download to the desktop. Okay, go to your desktop, here, vout, and then here's your plot picture. Very high resolution. You can see here. This is the one. I hope this will also help.